Yo AutoAce fam, some scooters never go out of style, whether it's their retro looks, reliable engines, or timeless charm. Today, let's check out the classic scooters worth buying in the Philippines this 2025. Perfect for riders who want a mix of nostalgia and practicality. The ultimate Italian classic scooter. 150cc fuel-injected engine, iconic design, premium build. Perfect for city rides with style plus excellent resale value. One of Vespa's most iconic two-stroke classics. Metal body, manual gearbox, and vintage ride feel. Hard to find brand new in 2025, but pre-owned collectors' units are worth it. Retro-inspired but modern-equipped scooter. 124cc engine, disc brakes and Italian design heritage. Offers a sporty twist on the classic Lambretta styling. Legendary Honda underbone that looks like a scooter. 124cc fuel-injected engine, retro-styled round headlight, and semi-automatic transmission. Perfect for riders who want history plus modern reliability. Classic-inspired scooter with modern hybrid tech. 125cc blue core engine plus hybrid assist, elegant design and spacious storage. A practical retro scooter that's daily commute ready. Classic scooters worth buying in 2025 include Vespa Primavera 150, timeless premium style. Vespa PX150, vintage collector's item. Lambretta V125 Special, retro with sporty vibes. Honda Super Cub C125, iconic underbone scooter crossover. And the Yamaha Grand Filano Hybrid 125, classic look with modern efficiency. If you are after style and heritage, Vespa is still king. For retro modern practicality, Yamaha's Grand Filano and Honda Super Cub gives you Sulit daily rides. And if you want something collectible, a pre-owned Vespa PX150 or a Lambretta makes a great addition. Which classic scooter would you ride in 2025 AutoAce fam? Comment your pick below. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more scooter guides. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.